The other thing that I would recommend is actually, if you're not sure what you want to do and you can't afford college without student loans, I would say do some research and find a company that has entry-level jobs that don't require a college degree, and specifically look for companies that offer those positions that have tuition reimbursement programs or some sort of college partnership program. Sometimes it's not a reimbursement. Sometimes they'll just straight up pay for the college. You don't have to worry about getting reimbursed. And they're not hard to find because even Walmart and Target offer these programs. You can go work at Walmart and earn a degree while working at Walmart. So now, not only are you not taking out debt and taking out loans, you're actually earning income, and then the company you work for is paying the bill for college. You used to have to enroll in the military for that, right? And that's still an option. And it's a good option for some people. All right, so I'm also not saying don't join the military in order to pay for education. Like, that's an option. But there are other options that exist now that maybe didn't always exist. The company that I work for, where again, the job that I have did not require a college degree. It's the best paying job I've held in my life up to this point. And it also has a tuition reimbursement program. So if I got this job without a bachelor's degree, they would help pay for that. And then if I got promoted, then there are opportunities to have master's degree programs paid for by the company. These opportunities and benefits exist. You do have to do a little research to find them. But like I said, you could start at a Walmart or a Target. I was actually chatting in the comments section with one of my viewers who was basically saying that their parents have a rule that says they're not allowed to work in college until their junior year. The parent has set this. Now, I don't know if this parent is paying for college. Again, if your parent is funding your college education, they have the right to kind of establish some rules. Just like scholarships have requirements, you have to jump through hoops to maintain scholarships. That's kind of how it works. If you've got a renewable scholarship, then there's things you have to do to maintain that. If your parent is putting money towards your education, they're essentially offering you a scholarship. So if they have requirements that you have to abide by to continue to receive their money for college, just like earning a scholarship, just do what's required, obviously within reason, but like do what they require so that you can continue to receive that scholarship, that parental scholarship to attend college. But if that's not the case, then if somebody's saying, hey, I don't want you to work till your junior year or something like that, well then be like, look, I'm going to go to work straight out of high school and get my company to pay for college. Who's going to argue with that? I don't want to take out student loans. I'm just going to go to work, earn a paycheck so I can start earning money, maybe saving some money, paying my own bills. And also I'm going to get my education paid for free. Now you have a work history, work experience to draw from as you try to build your career, and you're earning your degree for free. Just another option to consider along this path. Now, if you do find yourself needing to go to college and you are thinking about scholarships, there are other ways, some of which I've mentioned in this video, to pay for college. If you want to take my course that outlines all of that information, you can definitely check that out. Click the link in the description. Otherwise, you can check out this playlist here, which is all sorts of ways to pay for college, what you need to know about college, earning scholarships, things like that. Or you can click on this video here that YouTube thinks you need to watch next. Either way, we will see you in the next one.